How to add tables in a presentation in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add tables in a presentation design in your Canva application. So as currently you can see that I have opened this presentation design in my Canva application for Windows, and now we will learn how we can add a table into this presentation design. So there are a number of methods using which you can add tables into this presentation. So moving on to the first method is that you need to click onto this elements tab right here, and under the elements tab you need to scroll down until you can see this section of tables. So here are some tables already given. If you want to see or access more of these, you can click onto these see all button. And once you will click onto this, you can see these are the default table types or layouts present in Canva. So in order to use any of these, you can simply click onto any of that you want. So for example, I have clicked on this, and here you can see that this table has been successfully added into my design. Now from here you can also perform different operations into this table, like feeding data into these cells like this, and also you can resize it or change its color as well using this color button. So if I don't want this color for this cell, I can do that as well. And also the another method of adding tables is that you can use the designs tab or templates. So let me show you how you can do that. Let me quickly close the elements tab, and now the next thing that you need to do is click onto this designs tab at the top left. And here under the designs tab, you can simply search for table. And under the table, you can see the templates, layouts, and styles as well. So under the templates, you can find some templates that come with pre-designed tables for you. So for example, this template right here. And here you can see, once I have clicked the moment I have clicked onto it, this particular table has been inserted, which looks very visually appealing, and you can change the values according to your wish. So that's how easily you can add and edit a table in your Canva presentation. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.